question 10 is always on star. This is always on star. So let's make sure we're clear on how to do this. Okay. The first thing it says is we want a line parallel to this one. Well, if you want a line parallel to this one, then I need to know the slope of this line right here. How do you find slope from 2 points? Y minus y, x minus x. Does it matter which 2 points we use? No, because you'll always get the same slope because it's just one line. They all have the same slope. So I'm just going to look at this first one and this second one. What are the y's? I have a 3 minus and a 1. And then I'm going to look at the x's. I have a 0 minus 1. So my slope is negative 2 over 1. Negative 2. My slope is negative 2. Now, since it says parallel, then I am still going to keep both my old slope and my new slope are going to be the same because it is parallel. Now, these points right here are the old line. I don't need them anymore. I got my slope. This is the old line. What I need is a new line. And my new line is y minus y equals mx minus x. I need to use the point slope form, don't I? All right, so y minus, okay, what's my point? This is my new point right here. So that's it. That 8 is my new y, isn't it? So I'm going to put it right here. What's my new slope? Well, it's the same as my old slope because it's parallel. So we're going to put a negative 2. X minus, what is my new point? That is a 5. How do I finish? Well, y minus 8. Let's distribute negative 2 times x, negative 2x, negative 2 times negative 5, negative 10, positive 10, sorry. Negative times negative is a positive. And now I need to move this 8 over here, don't I? I need to take negative 8 and move it over here. If it's a negative 8, then I need to add 8. So I have y equals negative 2x plus 18. Now, I was thinking if you wanted to go over to Desmos real quick and just check something, here's how you could do it. What if I put my answer in, negative 2x plus 18, and I put my new point in, 5 over 8, and check to see, does my line run through 5 over 8? Does my line look a lot like the line in my question? Yes, it does. It has the same slope. It has the same slant. So I could use Desmos to go check to make sure that my new line is running through the point that it's supposed to be running through.